Have you ever wondered if Earth will eventually lose its beloved moon? Latest news. Welcome to our show, where we discuss the latest news and developments in science and technology. Today, we are going to talk about whether the Earth will ever lose its moon. Recently, scientists have found that the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, which raises the question of whether we'll lose our beloved natural satellite. The moon's orbit around Earth appears to be regular, but it's actually moving away from us at a rate of 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters, per year. Roughly the same rate at which fingernails grow. This is due to the gravitational effects that each has on the other. Scientists have determined the rate of the moon's drift by firing laser beams at reflective panels that NASA placed on the moon during the Apollo missions. By measuring how long it takes to detect the reflected pulses, scientists have estimated that the moon is straying away from Earth. The moon's gravitational pull forces Earth's oceans to bulge toward it, resulting in the lunar tides. Similarly, Earth's gravity causes similar tidal effects on the moon, making it slightly football-shaped. These tidal effects are also slowing down the rate at which the moon rotates on its axis, resulting in the moon tidally locking with Earth. Madeleine Broom, an astrophysicist at the University of California, Santa Cruz, explains that as the Earth's spin slows down, something has to increase the angular momentum of the system in order to conserve the total angular momentum between the Earth and the moon. An orbiting object like the moon getting further away is what increases the angular momentum. The moon likely formed from debris that resulted from a crash between the nascent Earth and a Mars-sized object. According to the University of Arizona, tidal forces have helped pull the moon to its current average distance of about 238,855 miles, 384,400 kilometers, from Earth. According to the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, England, tidal effects are also reducing the speed at which Earth spins. In about 50 billion years, Earth's slowing rotation would make it tidally lock with the moon, so that Earth would permanently show just one side to the moon. At this point, the moon and Earth would stop moving away from each other. However, about 5 billion years from now, as the sun begins to die, it will swell to become a red giant star. At this point, the Earth-Moon system will almost certainly be disrupted and destroyed. According to David Trilling, chair of the Astronomy and Planetary Science Department at Northern Arizona University. So, in conclusion, the moon will not leave Earth, or vice versa. Rather, the sun will obliterate them both. This news raises interesting questions about the future of our planet and our universe. That's all we have time for today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next time for more science and technology news.